I was in Chicago, and the guys fueling my plane look at me like, "You're the cat guy, aren't you?" So apparently I'm the cat guy now, which is not the worst thing to be known for, but I think there's cooler things to be known for. I basically fly animals out of kill shelters or overcrowded shelters to adopting agencies, fosters, other shelters, basically saving animals. So it's a lot of fun. It's a really good excuse to go fly. I'm allergic to both dogs and cats, as a matter of fact. So every time I land, I'm like, my eyes are puffing, I'm sneezing, but it's worth it. Honestly, I make the TikTok for myself. It's just fun to me just to be able to record my days and like what I do. You look at my TikToks, right, and you're like, oh my God, that looks so cool. You're flying all the time, you have all these cool experiences, you get to go to cool places, fly cool things, but what they didn't see is how many hours I spent in the books, studying, how much time it took, going to flight lessons and all that other stuff. And make sure it's something you're passionate about, make sure you love it. But if you do, it's the greatest life ever lived.
Thanks so much for the help, man.
You're welcome, and War Eagle.
War Eagle.